Hermes Agent v0.12 just changed AI agents forever. What if the AI agent you've been using could fix itself while you sleep? What if it could review its own skills, clean up its own mess, and get better on its own without you doing anything? What if the biggest shift in local AI agents just dropped and most people completely missed it? It's just happened. And today I'm breaking down exactly what changed, why it matters, and how you can use it. This video covers the full Hermes Agent v0.12 release, what's new, what it means for your workflows, and the one feature that makes this release genuinely different from anything before it. Stay with me, because the last part is the most important. Biggest feature in this release is the autonomous curator. This is why the team officially named v0.12 the curator release. Here's the problem it solves. When you use an agent every day, your skill library grows fast. Skills are saved instructions and workflows the agent uses to do tasks. For time, some skills go stale. Some overlap each other. Some were useful once and now just take up space. Without any cleanup system, your agent gets cluttered, and a cluttered agent is a weaker agent. The curator is a background maintenance agent that runs on a schedule every 7 days by default. It reviews your full skill library, grades each skill based on usefulness, consolidates overlapping ones, prunes dead ones, and writes a full report to a log file so you can see exactly what happened. This changes how you think about long-term agent use. Instead of manually cleaning up your setup every few weeks, the agent does it on its own schedule. Your skill library stays sharp. Your workflows stay focused. That's a meaningful shift. The self-improvement loop also got a major upgrade in v0.12, and this works alongside the curator. After each completed task, Hermes runs a background review that decides whether to update any skills based on what just happened. So between the curator doing weekly library cleanup and the self-improvement loop refining skills after every task, you have 2 layers of autonomous maintenance running in the background. That combination is what makes v0.12 feel like a real step forward. Now let's talk about something that affects every single person who uses Hermes: startup speed. Visible startup time for the terminal interface got cut by around 57% in v0.12. This was done through lazy loading components, caching configuration reads, and pre-compiling patterns that used to rebuild every time you open the agent. If you're actively building workflows, testing tools, switching models, restarting after config changes, slow startup kills your momentum. A faster agent means a faster feedback loop, and a faster feedback loop means better workflows. Google Meet is one of the most practically useful additions in v0.12. Hermes now includes a Google Meet plugin that lets your agent join calls, transcribe conversations in real time using OpenAI's real-time transport, and help with follow-up work. This is a genuine workflow, not a demo. Your agent can join a meeting, capture what was discussed, and give you a clear summary whether you were in the call or not. That saves time and reduces the chance of losing important details. Spotify is another new native integration. Hermes v0.12 includes 7 tools: play, search, queue, manage playlists, control devices, all behind a secure OAuth flow with an interactive setup wizard. Bigger point here is what Spotify represents. Hermes is becoming a control layer across the tools you already use. An agent that only works inside a chat window isn't really an agent. A proper agent takes action in the apps where your work actually lives. Here's the bigger picture. Most AI agents are passive. You prompt them, they respond, and they don't get better. They don't maintain themselves. They don't connect meaningfully to the apps around your work. Hermes v0.12 is pushing hard in the opposite direction. The curator and self-improvement loop make it self-maintaining. Google Meet makes it useful in real work situations. The platform and tool expansion make it a genuine control layer. Faster startup makes it practical for daily use. The agents that will actually fit into real workflows are the ones that don't require constant management. They run in the background, do the work, and stay sharp on their own. That's the direction Hermes is heading, and v0.12 is the clearest step in that direction yet.